Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Can you please write down the day and the date for today into your Admaths 1 book? So for today's lesson, we are going to learn systems of equations. We are going to solve simultaneous equations using substitution method and also using formula. Example, if you want to solve the following simultaneous equations and you have to give answers to 3 decimal places. You have 2x plus 3y equals to 1 and you got x squared minus y squared equals to 2. The first thing that you have to do is to express one of the variables. You can either choose x or y. For my case, I chose x. So if you bring over 1 minus 3y and then you divide by 2, this is your first equation. So what you will do is you're going to label this as equation number 1. Now going back to the question, you just copy the second equation from the question, which is x squared minus y squared equals to 2. So this is your second equation. So we're going to substitute in the first equation into the second equation. So you just get rid of the x and replace with the 1 minus 3y over 2 just now that we have. So in order to do that, we're going to substitute. So you would have bracket 1 minus 3y over 2 square minus y square equals to 2. Open the brackets, you would have 1 minus 6y plus 9y square over 4. And then minus y square equals to 2. Times all by 4 to simplify, you get this equation. 1 minus 6y plus 9 square minus 4y square equals to 8. Now you simplify, you would have 5y square minus 6y minus 7 equals to 0. Now, in order to solve this equation, you have to use the formula negative b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. You just key into the formula and you can use your calculator. You press mode 3 times, go to equation, arrow to the right and key in degree 2. So this is the value that you get from using calculator. And then once you have the y values, you can substitute back into the first equation to find the value of x. So when y equals to negative 0.77, you would have x equals to 1.591. And then when you have y equals to 1.927, you would get x equals to negative 2.391. So now I'm giving you 5 questions as exercise. So it's similar instructions. You have to follow, you have to solve the following simultaneous equations and you have to give answers correct to 3 decimal places. Right, in SPM, if the question states that you have to give answers in 3 decimal places, you would have to follow the instructions. If they say 4 significant figures, then you follow 4 significant figures. So this is my first question, 2x plus y equals to 3. 3x plus y squared equals to 6. My second question, x plus 2y equals to 1. X squared minus y equals to 3. Okay, my third question will be different. In this case, I give you tips. You can combine any 2 expressions. Let's say you want to combine the first equation, x plus 2y equals to 3 as your first equation. And the second equation will be x squared minus y squared equals to 3. This is my fourth question for x plus 3y equals to 1. And you got negative x squared plus y squared equals to 2. And finally, this is question number 5. You have 2x minus 3y equals to 1. And 4xy minus x squared equals to 6. I'll give you all the answers here. If you need help, you can have a look. But please try all the questions first. If you got stuck, you can refer to my solutions. To be honest, some of the marking scheme here, some of the methods are redundant. They are not useful. You can always keep some part. You don't have to show everything. Like I said before, when you use the formula, you just key into the formula there. And then using your calculator, you can get the final answer straight away without showing the methods in between. This is what I'm saying. So you can skip those lines between the answer and the formula. And now this is answers for question number 4. And the solution for question number 5. I wish you all the best. Please be safe. Please stay at home. And I shall see you after the long holiday. Goodbye.